53rd pre-competitive skill test. The rest have to depend on rain, precipitations, tube wells, dams, big and small flood irrigation, etc. Of these, the least sources are of course the lands, which have only rains to depend on. Full stop. Then there are wide areas, which get neither any rain, floods, nor any other subsoil support for crop productions. Full stop. These are either wastelands with a few drought resistant bushes scattered here and there, or just plain deserts. Full stop. In the Punjab, Cholistan and Thal desert areas, and in Balochistan, the bulk of the land would fall into that category. Full stop. But not all areas deprived of water resources are without hope. Full stop. Voter in the north brave weather and demonstrated their love for Pakistan and Islam. Full stop. New paragraph. They would be phased out by lack of public responses, particularly when the competition between them is stiff. Full stop. The purely business ventures by and large fizzled out rapidly, and the schools that have survived did so because they had a solid educational foundation. Full stop. The value of all those different factors has to be assessed in rating the officer's fitness for promotion. Full stop. The officer's fitness for regard to seniority imply that while emphasis is replaced or simply records, qualification and aptitude for the higher posts, the officer's relative seniority in the cadre, from which promotion is being made, should be given due weight, the great the disparity in superiority, the greater should be the junior officer's seniority in point of merit. Full stop. New paragraph. Casual inspections are of little value if they lack purposes, or if the inspecting officers have not settled in his mind what she is going to look for. Full stop. For inspection to be a useful tool of supervision, it was necessary to lay down a list of specific points to which attention should be directed. Full stop. A sample list of such points is there herewith enclosed for the guidance of the inspecting officers. Full stop. The importance of the large voters turnout lies in the fact that certain political groups had actively lobbied for the boycott of the referendum. Full stop. But people rejected them and said that they responded positively to the call to the exercise their right of franchise. Full stop.